Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you some problems of iOS 18 and I'll tell you how you can fix them. So you have updated to iOS 18 and things are not running as smoothly as you have hoped. iOS 18 brings new features to iPhones but also some problems. Many users faces issues like battery drain, Wi-Fi troubles and app crashes, but don't worry, it's not uncommon to encounter a few hiccups after a major software update. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So here is the first problem. How to fix iOS 18 screen time or runtime tampering bug. You should restart your device. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off, then wait for some time and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is reset screen time passcode. If you are having trouble with your screen time passcode, you can reset in settings. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to screen time, tap on it. Then scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option of lock screen time settings. If you have already locked your screen time settings, then reset screen time passcode and you are done. And the next step is disable and re-enable screen time settings. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to screen time. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of turn off apps and website activity. And you are done. And the next thing I'm going to tell you is optimizing performance and battery life. Battery drain is a big issue with iOS 18. To fix this, turn off background app refresh. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general. Then scroll down and go to background app refresh and then turn for the apps you don't need running in the background and you are done. And if your iPhone is slow, go to settings. Next, scroll down, go to general option, then choose iPhone storage. Clear some space, delete all photos, videos and apps you don't use. You can also offload and unused apps. This keeps the apps data but removes the apps itself and you are done. Next thing I am going to tell you about network and connectivity fixes. Wi-Fi issues are common in iOS 18. Forget the network and rejoin. For this, go to setting and choose Wi-Fi option. Then tap on the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Then choose forget this network and then tap on again forget to confirm, and after forgetting your network, reconnect to your network by entering its password and you are done. If that doesn't work, reset network settings. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down, go to general option. Then scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Then choose reset. Next, choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings on your iPhone. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you about app-specific solutions and home screen troubleshooting. Some apps may not work with iOS 18. First, check for the app updates. For this, open the App Store and tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then choose apps. Here you can see all the apps that is on your phone. If any app needed to be updated, then tap on update next to it and update the latest version of the app and you are done. If an app keeps crashing, delete and reinstall it. For this, press and hold the app icon and then tap on remove app. Next, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again, confirm. And after this, go to App Store and download it again and you are done. On-screen issues can be fixed by resetting the layout. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general options. Then scroll down and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Then choose reset. Next, choose reset home screen layout. It will ask you to reset home screen. Then tap on reset home screen again to confirm. This puts all apps back in their default spots and you are done. If app icons are missing, they may be hidden. I hope this video will help you to fix major problems in iOS 18 and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.